Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty and personal care. Today, we're reviewing the FANDAMEI Manicure and Pedicure Tools Kit, which stands out as the best professional manicure and pedicure kit you can find. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for high-quality tools, this kit has everything you need to achieve salon-quality nails right at home. The FANDAMEI kit comes packed with 11 essential tools for both your hands and feet. Inside, you'll find 3 nail files with different grits of 100/180ths, perfect for filing and shaping nails or removing gel polish. The coarse grit files are designed to give you precision when trimming your nails to your desired length or shape. You'll also get 2 polishing files and a purple nail buffer block to smooth out any rough edges and ensure your nails have a shiny, polished finish. To take care of your cuticles, the kit includes a set of professional-grade tools. The nail cuticle nippers are built to give you clean, smooth cuts, ensuring any excess skin is removed gently. The cuticle pusher and triangular cuticle peeler are ideal for pushing back cuticles or removing gel and polish residue, so you can maintain that flawless look. The triangular side of the pusher helps you reach every corner, while the spoon-shaped side gently pushes the cuticles for a comfortable experience. The kit doesn't stop at just manicure tools. It also includes a specialized toenail tool designed to help with ingrown toenails. The nail lifter has angled heads that allow you to lift the corners of your nails and remove stubborn debris with ease. It's a real game changer for anyone dealing with discomfort caused by ingrown toenails. The stainless steel toenail file, with both a straight and curved end, gives you the flexibility to file both flat and curved surfaces, helping you maintain perfect toenails. If you're looking for a durable and long-lasting kit, the FANDAMEI Manicure and Pedicure tools are made from high-quality materials that are both wear-resistant and washable. These tools are built to last, saving you money in the long run by avoiding the need for frequent replacements. Whether you're using it at home or in a professional salon setting, this kit is versatile and ensures that both men and women can enjoy salon-like treatments on their nails. Lastly, the kit includes a purple nail brush to help remove any nail residue, ensuring your nails are not just perfectly shaped but also perfectly clean. This attention to detail makes the FANDAMEI kit a standout in the world of manicure and pedicure tools. It's designed to provide a complete nail care experience, making it easier for you to take care of your nails. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion or simply maintaining your regular nail care routine. So if you're looking for the best manicure and pedicure kit that provides professional results, the FANDAMEI Manicure and Pedicure Tools Kit is the one to choose. It's a complete, high-quality solution that covers everything you need to keep your nails looking beautiful and healthy. Don't settle for anything less than the best when it comes to your nails. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on all the top beauty products.